Hi folks, Mark here from My Mobile Mentor, tutoring, team building, screen acting, and of course voiceovers. Yes, you come to our voiceover page on our website, and if you scroll down the page, you'll notice a series of stem files with background music. If any of these take your interest and you would like to record something similar, feel free to let us know. Or if you have an idea that you would like to record something new, fresh, and innovative, something completely different, we would love an opportunity to speak with you. Feel free to contact us directly on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au. We work with the likes of Sonovus as well as Source Connect if you have an account with them, which basically helps to reduce the editing process because we record the audio in real time. Otherwise, you can send us your MP3 file or your WAV file, and we can match the audio, the voice, and the background music in our production suite. Feel free to contact us and let us know what your plans are. We'd love an opportunity to speak with you about your project or your campaign, product, or service. And here's to the power of great audio that will aim to attract the right audience for your product or service. Thank you for your time, folks. Have a great day. Bye for now.